Welcome, in front of me is an LG Q60, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up your dialer app, and from here go into the contacts section, tap on the three dots and go into manage contacts, where you will see a bunch of options. So we're interested in importing, so the first option, tap on that, and then you want to import it from, so choose SIM card, which is the last option, and then import it to phone. Now right now there is only one option for me, but I believe if you're logged into Google, you would also see your Google account right here as the other option. But like I said, because I'm not logged in, there's only the phone. So that's what I'm gonna stick with. Tap on OK, and then you will see all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. So from here, choose the contacts that you wish to copy. You can select all of them or certain ones. And once you have selected all the ones that you want, you can tap on import, and contacts imported, and you're done. So as you will see now, if I go into the contacts, there is several that are repeating, and you can distinguish which ones are on the SIM card and which ones are on the device by the icon. So all the contacts that are on the the SIM card have this little blue icon. So you can see there is one. And the ones that are on the phone have no icon next to it. So there's the 3-4 contacts that are on the from the SIM card. So that is basically how you would import contacts from your SIM card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.